This is probably really obvious, but you never know with these men. They only tell when they want to tell. Although Aussie's pretty good. Like if I do my hair, if I buy something new, he always picks it up. He'll always say, where did you get that from? Or when did you get that? So I can't complain much there. What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another video. So I haven't done one of these kind of sit down videos on this channel for a long time because I'm mainly on my personal channel doing these ones. But today I've made an exception because I'm just going to be doing my makeup on camera to get ready for a video that Aussie and I are going to be doing. Get off. Okay, so basically I'm just going to be putting anything on. Anything. Way too bright for me. This is way too bright for me, but I'm going to put it on. Oh, I was twisting it. It's a pump. I was either going to go orange or white. Which one do you think? Oh, I wish this was live. Why don't I just do half? That's what I'm going to do. Let's just go with it. I need to invest in some headbands so that I can put my hair back. So that's another thing that I need to look for on eBay once this is finished. Just going to get some bobby pins, guys. I don't know how I'm going to do this video. I might fast forward it because, you know, it's going to take me a while. All right, so I've got my sponge here. Just going to, you know, do a few pumps here. I'm not even going to put a primer on. I'm just going to go for it. Whoa, that's way wide. All right. Why does this side look the same and I haven't even done it, does it? Anyways, I'm gonna just do a half-ass drop. This is probably really obvious, but you never know with these men. They only tell when they want to tell. Although Aussie's pretty good. Like if I do my hair, if I buy something new, he always picks it up. He'll always say, where did you get that from? Or when did you get that? He knows my whole wardrobe. So I can't complain much there. This is so weird. But essentially, oh my gosh, I look like I have some sort of illness. So pretty much this is what I'm looking like at the moment. Oh my gosh, my contour thingy's in the room. Oh well, we're just gonna have to use some eyeshadow. This is nowhere near my color, so I'm just gonna go in and just do whatever. Just a little bit here for my big fat nose. And a little up here, a little down here. Dab, dab, dab away. That is way too wide. I can see it now. I mean, this side doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I am not wasting my eyebrow pencil that cost me $44 or something like that. It's an Hourglass eyebrow pencil. I'm not wasting that on this, so I'm just going to be using some eyeliner. I mean, I don't want to make it too obvious because my eyebrows are never like that, but a real makeup artist having OCD seeing this. So I don't have my contour thingy, it's in the room. So I'm just gonna use some eyeshadow and just like, oh my gosh, that is so freaking dark. I really don't like this palette. It doesn't blend well either, so oh no, maybe put that on my eyes or something. And Untamed, so some green, just smudge that on there. Oh my gosh. Do you like my makeup? And he'll be like, yeah, because he never says anything bad. I mean, even when he's trying to like tell me that it doesn't look nice, he's like really sweet about it. Very, very kind. And he's always like, yeah?
This email is coming.
What email?
From... What are you doing?
Do you like the way I look?
Whatever.
Huh? Do you like how I look?
You look like nice baby. You look so sexy. Yeah.
He needs some milk.
Nice. Look.
Yeah, I'll look at it after. Wait, let me see.
See it.
Yeah, I sent a reply. I was literally just telling you guys that I'm not even wasting my brushes on this, that he would like never say something bad about like the way I look. He's such a sweet man. And I'm so annoyed that he's saying me. Anyway, so I'm just gonna, I mean, this isn't too obvious, is it? Maybe this eye is, because he was distracting me, but who cares? We're just gonna go with it. We'll just go with it. I was full like, I'm not gonna make it obvious, and then all of a sudden, this is blatantly obvious, girl. Oh no, let's just go with the flow. Okay, so I've cleaned it up for the most part. Just get that smudged in. This is terrible, guys. I do not do my makeup like this usually. And I've only got 2 more batteries left, so I've got to call him out here quickly and pretend to do some sort of Q&A. Aussie! Can you just come here quickly? I just want to do a quick 3 questions with you for my video. After that game, I just need to ask 3 questions. I really like this green eyeshadow. It just brings out my beautiful eyes. It's like an emerald green. All right, guys, I'm gonna be back when he comes back. Actually, this isn't so bad, is it? I mean, I'm probably editing this and being like, what the heck? Why would you say that? This is really bad. But I kind of like it if I was this shade. Are you almost finished? I just need to ask you 3 questions. I need to think of those 3 questions. So the 3 questions can be, who eats the most? This is just the first thing that's coming up at the top of my head. How many people left? Aussie. This ain't so bad, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want me to come and do your makeup, y'all can tell me and I can come and do your makeup. If you want to look like this, you just got to follow the steps that I told you just before. I'll be back. I don't want this battery to die. I'm just going to ask you 3 quick questions.
What?
Oh, my darling. So the first question is...
Excuse me.
Do you like my eyeshadow?
Yeah, it's nice. You look so sexy, beautiful.
Oh!
He's so crack up. Anyways, the first question is, who eats the most? Huh? Babe. Just because I'm fat doesn't mean I eat the most.
Nah, I am. I eat a lot, guys. I eat a lot. I am. I always eat every time.
Yeah, well, he does eat more than me, if you can believe that. So, who loves the most? Yeah, I think it's equal. I would say it's equal. And the last question is, if you had to save your PlayStation 4 or your wife, who would it be? Why did it take you so long to answer that, Siaosi? Why did it take you so long to answer that?
Because I was thinking about
The question.
the question.
Ah.
So,
I thought you were thinking which one?
no. I know it's you. So,
Babe, can I? Yeah, so why would you take so long?
because I'm thinking about a question,
Okay.
so I can choose the right thing for the right answer for your question.
Okay. So I just want to address something very quickly. Do you really like my makeup?
Yeah, so nice, baby. You look so...
Oh!
Damn, man.
Babe, Dumbass. I'm calling you dumbass.
Nah, you look so nice, baby. Serious. You look so nice. Can't wait to kiss you.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
You can't wait to kiss me. Babe, would you let me go out in public like this? Do you really like my makeup?
Yeah.
You don't, because when you first saw me, you said, whoa. Why are you lying?
Oh, that's nice, babe. It's nice. Just a little bit off.
What's off? Tell me what's off.
The thing on top here. You look like a yellow star.
Babe, I just did. Seriously, I can't believe you would let me film and post a video up on YouTube like this for real.
No, that's nice, baby. Look. Yeah, that's nice.
You still don't understand. This is a prank.
What? Prank.
I did my makeup bad to see if you would notice, and he's still saying it's nice. When he thinks that I am still getting at him for saying that it was off. So now he's saying it looks nice again. Aussie, I clearly know this is not nice, and you know I don't do my makeup like this. Do you think I do my makeup like this?
No, that's why I say it looks different.
Women and their subliminal messages, we imply to men what they don't actually say, and we're like, is this what you think I do my makeup like?
Me, whatever makeup put on your face, I like it.
Oh my gosh, guys, he's so funny. Come forward. Give this video a thumbs up. You guys know what to do. SV Squad.
SV Squad signing out.
So Aussie really likes my makeup.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, girls.
Look at it. I
Just
want to
their
give you all like an
makeup's
up close.
You know me. I'm not kind of that always down. I like that makeup. No way. I like whatever makeup, whatever your face, normal, whatever. I like it.
Oh, my baby.
Huh.
Alright guys, we'll see you guys next time. SV Squad signing out. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to comment down below. Let us know what you want to do. And Aussie needs to honestly prank me. I pranked him this morning as well. 2 pranks in one day, guys. Can you believe it? Who even am I? Team Victoria, comment down Team Victoria. I want to see Team Victoria down below, and send him, for the life of him, some ideas to prank me. Because I'm seriously been waiting. It's been like 3-4 years and I'm still waiting.
Bad prank this morning because you never come with the camera outside.
Yeah, but if I came with a camera, it's going to be obvious.
Just give to Molly to come the other side.
Anyways, sorry guys.
SV Squad signing out. Stay tuned for my prank. I'll put it up soon, Lily.
SV Squad signing out.